I'm gonna have to kind of yell with this particular one here today, but I'm just here fishing on this causeway. Some fish right there I just saw. So there are fish here. I did get a bite or two. Nothing caught. Now traffic. So today's video is about website copywriting services. And my name's Tyler Carty. I'm a copywriter. I write the website copy that you need to get into the search engines. In the old days, to get a website ranking in the search engines, you just build a bunch of backlinks, scale them out, had these link pyramids, link triangle, link circles, link this, that, and the other. But those tactics don't work anymore like they used to. And so the massive link building campaigns, are a thing of the past, unless you have good content, like I have. And if you've been around SEO for any while, you know how important guest blog posts are for your website to rank in the search engines. And so that's what I have to offer you that is hard to find anywhere else. And that's, I have the ability to write high-end premium copy for blog posts that I then syndicate using syndication services that I've thoroughly evaluated, checked out, and tracked the results with. And so these are years and years of compiled results, trial and error with syndication services. And I have a good variety that fits any budget and will get results no matter what level you choose to take. So from the massive manual blog posts all the way to the real premium copy, for brochures, ebooks, and so forth. You need that for your business. To be successful online, you need to cover all bases of media. This includes video, this includes social media, chatter and development. This includes a newsletter or email list, a way to build an email list, being a part of the social sites, and also good old-fashioned small business networking is really how it's done at the top levels. It's affiliate marketing. I scratch your back, you scratch my back, we both get publicity, promotions, and grow our businesses together. So I get it, you get it. You just need someone to create that copy for you. That's me, Tyler Carty. So I guess that's my sales pitch about my copywriting services. I'm here fishing Saturday, working, making a video. Check out my view.